First up, we have the venture capitalists, the daredevils of the finance world. These firms find promising early-stage startups with the potential to become the next Amazon or Google. Think of them as high-risk, high-reward gamblers, putting their money on companies that might be just a few people in a garage right now. They're looking for disruptive technologies, scalable models, and passionate founders. It's not just about the money, they bring mentorship, industry connections, and guidance. Of course, it's a risky game, but those big wins shape entire industries. Let's talk about the nurturing side of the startup ecosystem, incubators and accelerators. These are like boot camps for early-stage companies, providing resources, mentorship, and networks. Got a brilliant idea but unsure how to build a team or write a business plan? Incubators and accelerators offer structured programs, workshops, and mentorship. They provide a collaborative environment to connect with other founders and share ideas. The goal? Help startups achieve milestones quickly, ready to pitch to investors. Y Combinator, Techstars, 500 startups. Their track records speak for themselves. Moving on from the world of startups, let's talk about private equity. These firms play in a completely different league, focusing on more established businesses that are already generating significant revenue. Think of them as the corporate makeover experts. They come in with deep pockets and a strategic vision to unlock a company's full potential. Sometimes, it's about taking a company private, giving them the freedom to make bold moves without the pressure of public markets. Other times, it's about providing growth capital to expand into new markets or acquire competitors. They're not afraid to shake things up either. Private equity firms often bring in experienced management teams, streamline operations, and implement new strategies to maximize profitability. And let's be clear, they're not doing this out of the goodness of their hearts. They expect a hefty return on their investment, usually through a sale or IPO down the line. But when done right, private equity can be a win-win, transforming businesses and generating massive profits in the process. Chapter 4. Mergers and acquisitions, the art of the business deal. Now, if you're looking for high-stakes business drama, look no further than mergers and acquisitions, or M&A for short. This is where corporate giants collide, forming strategic alliances or absorbing smaller companies to expand their reach and dominate their markets. Imagine the boardroom negotiations, the multi-billion-dollar deals, the intense scrutiny from regulators and investors. It's not for the faint of heart. And that's where M&A advisory firms come in. They're like the seasoned negotiators and deal makers, guiding companies through the complex process of buying, selling, or merging with other businesses. They analyze market trends, evaluate potential targets, structure deals, and navigate the legal and financial complexities involved. A successful M&A can be a game changer, creating synergies, unlocking new markets, and propelling companies to the forefront of their industries. But a bad deal can be disastrous, resulting in culture clashes, regulatory hurdles, and even financial ruin. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and having the right advisors can make all the difference. Chapter 5. Tech and Innovation Hubs, where the future is built. Silicon Valley, Boston's Route 128, London's Silicon Roundabout. You've probably heard of these tech hotspots. These aren't just geographic locations, they're vibrant ecosystems where innovation thrives. We're talking about a concentration of tech startups, venture capitalists, research institutions, and tech talent, all drawn together by a shared passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Think of it like a beehive of activity, with entrepreneurs buzzing with ideas, investors looking for the next big thing, and engineers working tirelessly to bring those ideas to life. But it's not just about technology. These hubs foster a culture of collaboration where ideas are freely exchanged and failures are seen as learning opportunities. They attract top talent from around the world, creating a highly competitive but also incredibly supportive environment. And let's not forget the economic impact. These hubs are engines of job creation, attracting billions of dollars in investment and driving economic growth in their respective regions. Chapter 6. Consulting and Advisory Navigating the Business Maze. In the complex world of business, sometimes you need a little help from the experts. That's where consulting and advisory firms come in. These firms are like the Sherpas of the business world, guiding companies through challenging terrain and helping them reach their peak performance. They bring a wealth of experience, industry knowledge, and analytical skills to the table, tackling a wide range of business challenges. Need help developing a new market strategy? A consulting firm can analyze your competitors, identify growth opportunities, and craft a roadmap for success. Facing operational inefficiencies, they can streamline your processes, optimize your supply chain, and boost your bottom line. And if you're thinking about a merger or acquisition, they can provide invaluable advice on valuation, due diligence, and post-merger integration. Essentially, consulting and advisory firms are your secret weapon, providing the insights and expertise you need to make informed decisions and achieve your business objectives. Chapter 7, Crowdfunding, Powering Dreams, one contribution at a time. Remember the days when raising capital meant pitching your idea to a handful of wealthy investors? Well, crowdfunding has changed the game completely. Now, entrepreneurs can bypass traditional funding routes and tap into the collective power of the crowd. Platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and GoFundMe have democratized access to capital, allowing anyone with an internet connection to become an investor or back a project they believe in. From independent films and innovative gadgets to social impact initiatives and small businesses, crowdfunding has fueled countless dreams. It's not just about the money either. Crowdfunding provides a platform for entrepreneurs to validate their ideas, build a community around their product or service, and gain valuable feedback from early adopters. And for backers, it's an opportunity to be part of something exciting, support innovation, and potentially reap the rewards if the project takes off. Crowdfunding might not be suitable for every business, but it's undoubtedly a game changer, leveling the playing field and empowering a new generation of entrepreneurs. Chapter 8, Real Estate Ventures, Building the Future, Brick by Brick. They say land is the one thing they're not making any more of, which is why real estate has always been a popular investment avenue. But real estate ventures go beyond just buying and holding property. They're about developing, innovating, and creating value in the built environment. We're talking about commercial real estate developers transforming skylines with innovative office spaces and mixed-use developments. We're talking about residential real estate investors providing much-needed housing in growing urban areas. And we're talking about property management companies leveraging technology to enhance tenant experiences and maximize returns for property owners. Real estate ventures are also at the forefront of sustainability, incorporating green building practices, energy-efficient designs, and smart technologies to create a more sustainable future. Whether it's developing affordable housing, revitalizing neglected neighborhoods, or creating sustainable communities, real estate ventures play a crucial role in shaping the world around us. Chapter 9, Sustainability and Green Ventures Investing in a Better Tomorrow. As awareness of climate change and environmental issues grows, so too does the demand for sustainable solutions. This is where green ventures come in, driving innovation and creating businesses that are not only profitable but also good for the planet. We're talking about companies developing renewable energy technologies, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and combating climate change. We're talking about businesses promoting sustainable agriculture, reducing food waste, and ensuring food security for a growing population. And we're talking about startups tackling plastic pollution, developing innovative recycling solutions, and creating a more circular economy. Green ventures are not just about doing good. They're about recognizing that sustainability and profitability go hand in hand. Consumers are increasingly demanding eco-friendly products and services, and investors are pouring money into companies that prioritize environmental and social responsibility. This is a rapidly growing sector with immense potential to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of Nexus Venture businesses. These are the companies pushing the boundaries of innovation, disrupting industries, and shaping the future we live in. Whether you're inspired to start your own venture, invest in the next big thing, or simply stay informed about the forces driving change, I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the dynamic landscape of Nexus Venture businesses. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content exploring the world of business, finance, and entrepreneurship. And let me know in the comments which Nexus Venture business you found most fascinating.